battery. You have to check your UMD. The screws, they are very tiny screws. Keep them 2 screws inside the battery compartment. See, it's magnetic. On top of your screen there are two screws. Excuse me. The cover, it will pop out. See, cover. Now be careful with the buttons. Don't lose. Screwdriver and pop out first the buttons. Be careful. Now the screen, there you go. This is the screen. By the way, don't touch the screen. And now there is a black screw right here, so you have to take that. I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a screw under the screen. Take it out. Another screw right here which holds the left buttons. Unscrew that. Alright. So if you remove the memory, then you can lift it up. Lift it up so you can see the bottom of the card reader. Not sure if you can see or not. So you have to reach the bottom of your card reader. Now what I did is I just can't take it out. There you go. It's coming. There you go. Piece of foam. It's by quarter by a quarter by 5/8. This is a piece of foam, actually a packing foam that I grabbed from speaker sets, or you can grab it anywhere. But this is the trick. Just piece of foam, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by approximately 5/8, 3/4, which can be, you can use anything to hold up. This is actually like, alright, there you go. Go, and it's done. Alright, so now I put, there you go. Put this back. There you go. So now This part came down. Well, I figure this goes right here. Somewhere right here. It fits. Okay. The screen. Now the left button. Press it and remove it. It's like waxing or something. The same technique. Press it and lift it. That takes away the fingerprints, whatever they have on the screen. It removes it. Okay, so back. Now carefully I've been searching a lot of videos on how to fix it myself, and I couldn't find any, so I tried to do it myself, and it did. Same problem. The memory card didn't read to open or replace your screen. For those folks, there are many videos out there on how to replace your LCD screen. If they're broke, you can have them replaced. It's easier than this, what I'm doing. You can put this back again because there is a piece of foam inside, so you can close it. Alright, so let's try this. Okay, I have a Windows Vista screensaver. It doesn't show the memory stick. I'm gonna insert the memory stick carefully, slowly, and memory stick. I have a free space of 380 megabytes. Alright folks, enjoy. Remember to be careful